Let's sing the ABCs with fun sounds and words. Are you ready? Let's go! A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish. G is for goat, oat. H is for hat. I is for igloo, igloo. T is for jump. K is for kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey. N is for nose, nose. O is for octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for queen. S is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Now you know your ABCs. The sounds and words around with me. Sing again and you will see. Learning letters is easy as 1, 2, 3. Ooh.
Yay, you did it! Great job singing the ABCs! Like and subscribe for more fun songs. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.
Let's count from 1 to 20 in a fun way. Hello, kids, are you ready to count with me? Let's have some fun. Let's go.
On one little star shining in the sky, let's shout 1, 2. 2 happy ducks swimming in the pond. 1, 2, 2. 3 colorful balloons flying high. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 playful kittens chasing a ball. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 juicy apples falling from the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 buzzing bees flying around the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 bright rainbows lighting up the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 tiny ants marching in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 funny frogs jumping in the pond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 colorful crayons drawing on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, you're doing amazing. Let's keep counting all the way to 20. 11 twinkling stars in the night. 12 dancing butterflies in the garden. 13 shiny shells on the beach. 14 silly monkeys swinging in the trees. 15 tiny fish swimming fast. 16 red balloons floating up high. 17 busy bees making sweet honey. 18 sparkling jewels in a treasure chest. 19 fluffy clouds drifting by. 20 laughing kids playing outside. 10, yay! You counted all the way to 20. Numbers are everywhere, in clocks, games, books, and even in the stars.
Great job, everyone. Keep practicing, and you'll be a number master before you know it. Remember to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss out on more fun learning adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Hey kids, ready to go on a shape adventure?
We're gonna sing, dance, and spot shapes everywhere. Let's count it down.
3,
2, 1,
Let's go!
Shapes are here, shapes are fun. Let's learn them one by one. Look around and you will see shapes are everywhere with me. Round and round I roll so fast. I'm a circle that will last. No corners here, I'm smooth all day, like a sun or coin you used to pay. What's a circle you can see right now? Let kids shout.
clock, wheel, plate.
I'm a square with sides so neat. 4 corners and 4 feet. Window panes and checker tiles. I've been around for quite a while. 3 sides make a triangle strong. I've been a shape all along, like a slice of cheesy pie, or the roof way up high. Shapes are here, shapes are fun. Let's learn them one by one. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Finding shapes is such a treat. 2 sides short, 2 sides long. I'm a rectangle, come along. Books and doors and tablet screens, you'll find me in your dreams. I twinkle high high up in the sky. I'm a star, I catch your eye. 5-point sharp, I shine so bright. In the dark, I bring the light. Let's play a game. I'll give a clue, and you guess which shape is true. I roll and roll, I'm super round. Circle. 4 same sides, I'm on the ground. Square. Like a roof, I come in 3s. Triangle. Long and short sides, open with keys. Rectangle. I'm a heart full of cheer, full of love and drawing near. Cards and hugs and sweet, sweet art. You'll always find me in your heart. Like a circle stretched out wide, I'm an oval with smooth sides. Look for me in Easter eggs or fruits with curvy legs. We shiny, sparkly, flying high. I'm a diamond in the sky. Like a kite on windy days, I like to float and twirl and play. 5 strong sides and 5 firm lines. I'm a pentagon, I shine on a building, badge or shield. I stand tall in any field. Count my 6 sides neat and true. I'm a hexagon. How about you in a beehive or on the floor? 6 sides and never more. Shapes are here, shapes are cool. Now you know the shape rule. Circle, square, triangle, 2 rectangle, star, all for you. Heart and oval, diamond bright. Pentagon, hexagon, what a sight. Crescent moon to end the day. Shapes are fun in every way. You did amazing today. You sang, you danced, and you learned so many shapes. Now go find them in your toys, books, and outside.
You did amazing today. You sang, you danced, and you learned so many shapes. But before we go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss another song that makes you shout. Shapes are fun. Bye-bye, Shape Explorers. See you next time.